How likely are you to experience losses if you stay invested in the stock market for 20+ years? Long-term investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your money over time. But how likely are you to experience losses if you stay invested for 20+ years? In this video, we'll explore the probability of loss when you remain invested in the stock market for a long period. We'll also provide strategies that you can use to minimize your chances of experiencing losses in the long term. So if you're interested in finding out more about investing in the stock market for the long haul, keep watching. The data. To determine the probability of loss when investing in the stock market for 20+ years, we analyzed the historical performance of the S&P 500 from 1950 to 2020. This period spans multiple market cycles, including periods of significant gains and significant losses. We looked at the probability of experiencing a loss over any 20-year period by examining rolling 20-year returns. For example, we calculated the 20-year returns from January 1950 to December 1969, then from February 1950 to January 1970, and so on, until December 2000 to November 2020. The results of our analysis were surprising. Out of all the rolling 20-year periods analyzed, there were only 3 instances where investors experienced a loss: the periods ending in December 1974, October 2002, and March 2009. This means that in 97% of the 20-year periods, investors in the S&P 500 saw positive returns. It's important to note that while the S&P 500 is a widely recognized benchmark for the stock market, there are other investments that can perform differently. Additionally, past performance is not indicative of future results. Nonetheless, this data gives us a good idea of the probability of loss when investing in the stock market for the long term. The analysis. Now that we have seen the data, let's dive into the analysis and see what it all means. The first thing to note is that while the probability of experiencing a loss in any given year may be relatively high, over longer periods, the likelihood of coming out ahead increases significantly. If we look at historical data over the past 90 years, the probability of experiencing a loss over 20 years is less than 10%. This means that if you were to invest in the stock market for 20 years or more, you would have a 90% chance of coming out ahead. Of course, this is not a guarantee, and there is always a chance that market conditions could change, leading to significant losses. However, it's important to keep in mind that historically, the stock market has shown resilience over the long term, bouncing back from downturns and providing solid returns to patient investors. Another key takeaway from the data is the importance of diversification. By investing in a range of different stocks, you can mitigate some of the risks associated with market volatility. This can help to reduce the likelihood of significant losses and ensure that your portfolio is better positioned to weather market downturns. Ultimately, the analysis shows that while investing in the stock market can be risky, staying invested over the long term can provide significant returns. By understanding the risks and investing in a diversified portfolio, you can position yourself to take advantage of the opportunities presented by the stock market, while also protecting yourself from significant losses. The conclusion? After analyzing the data, it's clear that staying invested in the stock market for 20+ years greatly reduces the likelihood of experiencing losses. In fact, historical data shows that the longer you remain invested, the higher your chances are of seeing positive returns. However, it's important to keep in mind that past performance does not guarantee future results. There will always be some level of risk involved when investing in the stock market, and it's crucial to have a diversified portfolio and a long-term investment strategy in place to mitigate that risk. Overall, while there may be some volatility and temporary dips along the way, staying invested for 20+ years is a solid strategy for long-term growth and success in the stock market. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.